how to duplicate an image on Photoshop. So let's say you have an open canvas here, and I have a couple items here. So I'm just going to turn on this layer here. And if you want to duplicate this, basically making a copy, there's two ways to do it. I personally just like to go over here to the layers, click and hold, and drag it to this spot right here, and it's going to create a new layer. So click and hold, and I'll drag it, and what that's going to do is make a copy of it. And now I have two copies of the same exact photo. What we can do is you can also do that with an image that you bring from your computer. So I will get rid of this real quick and I'll bring a photo over. So let's just bring this over. And that process is still the same. So we can go ahead and click and drag, and that will make a new layer, two copies of the same exact picture, and that way you can do anything that you want with it. But as you see here, I have two copies of the same photo. Another way you can do this, if I were to delete all this, is go ahead and make sure you have the layer selected. Go ahead and you can go to the edit at the very top left hand side, go ahead and hit copy, and then go to edit once again and go ahead and hit paste, and you'll have the same layer. It makes another layer, the same exact thing. You can also do the hotkeys as well. And that's it. That's how you would duplicate images on Photoshop.